So you've heard that onion juice is essential for hair growth, that it promotes hair growth, that it contains sulfur that is beneficial for hair growth. But did you know that onion peels contains just as much nutrients as onion juice, making it even more effective? Because then instead of trashing the onion peel, you're actually using it to get same results as onion juice. Hi my beautiful people, good day, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be sharing with you the benefits of using onion peel to your hair and a simple recipe that you can try in the comfort of your home with onion peel to grow your hair. All right, so what I'm going to do is to gather some onion peel. I used just like a handful of onion peel, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to rinse it properly, because I've been storing it by my window corner to dry it properly so that it doesn't get spoiled. Then that is why I'm rinsing it, so that, you know, to remove excess dates. Now I'm going to put it in my mason jar. The next thing I'm going to add to it is cloves. So we know that cloves is essential for hair growth, as well as it contains antimicrobial and antifungal properties that helps to promote hair growth. It stimulates hair growth, it reduces excessive shedding, and it's great for circulation. So I added a teaspoon of clove to my onion peel. I'm going to cover it and just let it sit for 12 hours. The last time I made a video about onion peel, I boiled it. I might leave the video here, but this time around I decided to infuse it, and 12 hours later it was looking exactly like this. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to strain it. To make this is really very easy to make. It doesn't require any big process, okay? So once I finish, you know, sieving it, I'm going to put it in my applicator bottle for easy application. So guys, this is what my hair was looking like. So at this point my hair was literally dry. I don't know if you can actually see it. The lighting here, it was dark, so the lighting here is not bright enough, but my hair was dry. So, and I just needed to bring back moisture to my hair, and so I am going to be using this onion peel recipe to help bring my hair back to life. Okay, so what I'm just going to be doing is to spray this onion juice on my hair, and I'll use my finger to detangle. Guys, finger detangling has changed my life. Okay, so I always love to finger detangle with my finger first before going in with a white tooth comb, and by doing so I've noticed that my hair has reduced in shedding. Like the amount of shedding and breakage that I experienced before has dramatically reduced. And so I encourage you to, you know, try finger detangling when next you're handling your hair, and you're going to see results. So guys, back to onion peel and its benefits. So when I first found out that onion peel is beneficial for hair growth, I decided to give it a try. One of the benefits of onion peel is that it contains antioxidants as well, that helps to strengthen the hair follicles, reduces inflammation, and it may support better blood circulation to the scalp. Okay, so onion peel also helps to stimulate the scalp and encourages healthier, fuller hair with time. Remember that whatever you're doing, you have to see to it. You have to stay consistent, right? Because with consistency comes the results. So if you're one who is experiencing excessive hair loss, if your hair is gray and you're looking for a natural way to darken your hair, you can actually use onion peel. You can try onion peel for that. You just have to be consistent with it, okay? So onion peels also helps to strengthen the hair, reducing hair breakage and promoting stronger, thicker hair. Okay, and also it can help to minimize split ends when you use it as a final T-range. Okay, so how you can do this is to just maybe boil your onion peel once you're about to wash your hair, or probably soak it overnight, and then the next day, once you're done washing your hair and all, you can just pour it on your scalp. Anything that you're applying on your scalp, please make sure that you're massaging it. Whatever DIY treatment that you're using, please make sure that you're massaging it. Okay, I believe you're going to see much faster results if you stick to scalp massage, especially when you use like DIY home treatment. Okay, so again, to make this onion peel treatment, you can choose to do it by boiling method, but for me, if I can infuse anything, I prefer to infuse it rather than boiling it. But I've actually tried the boiling method and they are both effective. All right, one thing to note when using boiling method is to make sure that you reduce the flame. All right, boil in low heat and boil for 10 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes is more than enough. Bring it down and let it steep for additional 20 minutes, and then you are good to go. Another beautiful benefit of this onion peel is that it has natural shine and luster to dull hair. You saw how my hair was when I started, and can you see how shiny my hair is looking right now? And I did not even apply oil, only this treatment. So if you're one who, when you use this clove, you notice that clove is really drying your hair, you can try this treatment where you infuse your clove with onion peel to get all the added benefits. Okay, remember that I said that whatever you're applying on your hair, make sure that you follow up with a massage. This is like the icing on the cake. This is what makes it much more effective. If you've not been seeing results with your DIY, it might be because you are skipping this step, or maybe you're not taking it serious. Please, from now on, ensure that you take this process very serious. Okay. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. My name is Favor. Please take care of yourself and bye.